I'm so much.
Ow, 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 fucking ow. Are you using me as a human shield, you bastard?
Sorry, bro.
That's alright.
Well, there's some paper ones on there, isn't there? Imagine it was the wrong guy.
Oh, that'd be fucking funny.
Wasn't his birthday. Fucking hell.
This is why I'm not coming on my birthday.
It's next week, yeah, I do anyway.
Together. Makaton sign language. Together. I'll tell you what, what's quite funny. Makaton sign language, you do things together, right? That is pig. Right, so little circles in front of you. Do you know if you do that, do you know what that means?
Doctor Strange portal.
Anal.
Anal. Oh.
In sign language, that's anal.
Lovely. Shit, anal.
Somebody loves his anal.
Take time, Danielle. Shoot him.
Oh, that poor bloke. Oh.
No fit. Good lad. Well done. No fit, he's not in. Through the ambulance just to get you. I'm so much.
Ow, 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 fucking ow. Are you using me as a human shield, you bastard?
Sorry, bro.
That's alright. Tiny pain. Tell it to Boyd. He used me as a fucking human shield.
Need that fucking smoke to piss off.
Piss off, smoke!
There's going to be a lot more of it. They've got like 40 smokes.
What we got? A load of guys over there. Yeah. Right.
Oh, I can go over there.
I'm going to those boxes there, mate.
I'll go that way first and then zigzag across.
See ya. Oh, fucking hell. Worth it. Oh, it is one shot, isn't it?
Yeah, good shot now, yeah.
Can we full auto in this, or?
Yeah, full.
Oh, fucking two, right. Let's blow some of that redundancy money. Oh, you fucking hell!
Straight down the line.
Do I have to? As soon as you... Oh, fair enough, bye. I've walked further than that building, I'm going back in.
Try and get to that angle. I made it there a minute ago. What? There's two behind the white van waiting
There's
for
one
us.
behind that. There's one. Oh, straight there. Oh, that one there.
Still there.
All right.
Still there, man. Yep. Stay there. No, these came from here behind me. You get the car around the side. What's the next? We're not there. I would say off, but I think you'd have a bad day.
Protecting you again, Dane, don't worry.
Oh, wind! Huh, what's the wind?
I'm not coming here with the shooting again, that's all. Where is he?
Oh, fucking hell. Hey!
Where was he? I could say.
Go on, whip it.
Give me salt and pepper, lad.
Flag!
Got a flag, guys! Come on, push it up! Respawn, guys! Respawn!
Where are you on? Careful, boys.
Don't bother saying careful, we're respawning here. It's alright, just respawn. Sorry. Well, hey!
Glasses, that was
well,
really.
do you know what's funny about that? There's your respawn.
Nah, this here. There. Yep. Yeah, push your gun, push your gun. Stay down.
How long you got?
You gotta say yeet, pull it, just pull it out.
In there long.
Say yeet.
I haven't got it, hang on.
You gotta pull it, go on, get it to them.
Yeet! Yeet!
You got another 5 foot if you say that. You're saying the last.
Well,
He's in the front now, do I?
Ah, it's fucking mad. Hello. Can we shoot or move? Let's do that hex baby. Close. Oh, you can't. Oh, cock shot. Boys. Fucking Nora, dude. Yeah, that's going to be quite nice. Oof.
To explain it to work, I wear short sleeves at work all the time.
Yeah. Jesus fucking Christ, really? Fucking you! Wait till I get hold of that footage. That fucker in the pillbox. Sprayed him.
Yeah, but mate, I've fucking blown his legs off God knows how many times. And still there. He just takes his hat off and changes it to it up.
Yeah.
Careful about those pop out to get shot. I don't know where from.
Oh, fucking hell. Felt it!
Back straight in the nut. You alright, mate? Come on then, bro. One last attack. I'm gonna go fall left. Yeah.
Where is the fucking flag? Attack! Yeah, no. Now Dominator style. Oh, that's a good position. Now we know where you are. Now we know where they are.
Oh, my belly does.
I wish they'd been more careful.
There, fuck, hang on. My last will and testament.
You notice? Been doing like all tactical style. You get hit straight away. Eyes went in, no cover, Terminator style, nothing.
Yep, because they're not focusing on you. They are in the far right left corner.
Far left.
Me and him found that out the hard way.
Dave, come here,
Gotcha. Where's the fucking flag? Marshall, 3 steps to the right. Your right, not mine.
I'll be the rabbit.
Okay, guys. Where's the fucking camera guy when you need him? That's right, they're on our fucking case. Yep. Absolute sickage. Oh, that was the most fun I've had in a while.